Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a iPhone 10 here. I'm going to show you how to turn the lock sound off and on. Okay, so right now I have it on, so every time I click on my lock button here, you're going to hear that. So first thing is you want to go into your settings here, and then from your settings, what we want to do is we want to go down to sounds and haptics. Tap on that, then scroll all the way down to the very or near the bottom here, and it says lock sound. Okay, you can toggle it off, you can toggle it on. Okay, another thing to note too is even though you have the lock sound on right now, if you go ahead and put your mute on, so here's the mute button here, so if I press down, now the mute is on. Okay, it says the ringer is on silent, so now when I go ahead and lock it, you're not going to hear nothing. So let me go ahead and put this back on, and then let me go ahead and unmute it again, and now when I lock it, you'll be able to hear it. So there you guys go. Pretty simple. I hope that helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions or anything, just comment below. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.